Anyway. That was good. Spicy. One. Anyways. Okay. Up at 6 a.m. Excuse me. This is probably one of the... I don't think this one is gonna give me any type of burp. Like a good one. Ugh. You take a nap. That one got stuck. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I have a brain freeze. Oh my gosh, I didn't... Me saying stop, I think. Excuse me. Excuse me. I burped into the can. Pretty good. Excuse me. Did not. Yeah, no. That's sad.